my YouTube channel. So today we have a question related with profit and loss. Okay, one question is that by selling a TV for rupees 6,900, selling the TV means SP is given 6,900. Selling the TV means SP is given 6,900. A shopkeeper lost 8%. He got lost how much? 8%. Okay, continue. Find his cost price. We can get cost price. What must be the price so that to make a profit? 12%. At what price he had to sell to make profit? 12%. Again we have to find out SP. Here try to understand the question. What problem? If you don't understand the question, it's very difficult for you. Okay, look at here again. By selling a TV for rupees this, selling a TV means SP is given. SP is equal to rupees 6,900. A shopkeeper losses 8%. Loss percent is equal to how much here? 8%. Find its cost price. CP we have to find out. What is the formula of CP? I already uploaded formula, a complete formula of profit and loss. This topic I uploaded on previous episode. If you are remaining to us, please watch it and learn that formula too. Okay, CP formula. SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Formula of CP, cost price formula, SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. SP is equal to 6,900 into 100 by 100 minus loss percent is equal to 8. 690000 by 92. Now we have to divide this to 69. We get rupees 75,000. So cost price of that TV set is equal to 7,500. Again look at here. What must be the price so as to make a profit? 12%. Again, to make 12% profit, cost price always same, 7,500. Purchasing price means always same, and here to get profit how much? 12%. At what price as to make to profit 12%? So at what price he have to sell to get 12% profit? If he sell at rupees 6,900, he will get 8% profit. But at what price he have to sell to get 12% profit? So we have to find out SP. SP is equal to formula CP 100 plus profit percent by 100. Formula is very important, so you have to learn formula, otherwise very difficult to solve. Now put the value 7,500, 100 plus 12 by 100. 7,500 into 112 by 100. 2020 cancel is equal to rupees 75 into 112. 8,400. If he will sell at rupees 8,400, he will get 12% profit. Once look at it. Question I will upload on thumbnail too.